So this is a problem we're going to solve using our energy ideas. We have a dog at the top of a 5 meter high playground slide. And it's going to slide to the bottom and generate some thermal energy. At the bottom, its speed is going to be 5 meters per second. So let's draw out what we're working with here. 5 meters high. Of course, we want to draw in the dog. And we can say V initial equals 0 meters per second. V final equals 0 meters. I'm sorry. That's going to be 5 meters per second. Y final is going to equal 0 meters. And we can say Y initial equals 5 meters. So we can start to think about our energy stuff. So our system is going to be the dog plus the earth. And we're going to include the slide because we're generating thermal energy, so friction's involved. We can say that work equals 0 because nothing outside the system is acting on it, and the system's not acting on anything outside itself. So we can say work is 0. And let's look at our energy equation. So delta K is going to be something going on. This dog's going to be speeding up, so we can say that's positive. It's going to be an increase in velocity. Delta UG, we know the dog's going down the slide, so that'll be negative. No spring involved, and the dog is just along for the ride, not burning any chemical energy. Delta ETH, it's going to be positive. We know we're going to be generating some thermal energy when the dog slides down the slide. So we can set up our expression. Delta K plus delta UG plus delta ETH equals 0. And so that's going to be K final minus K initial plus UG final minus UG initial plus ETH final minus ETH initial. That's going to equal 0. So K final is going to be 1/2, 20 kilograms, times 5 meters per second. I'm going to square that. And that's coming from this right here. Minus K initial is going to be 0, because we're starting from rest. 0 joules. UG final is going to be 0, so we're going to wind up with a Y of 0. We're going to check this out, MGY. So UG initial is going to be 20 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared times 5 meters plus ETH final minus ETH initial is going to be 0 because we want to know how much we generate in this process, and that's all going to equal 0. So we can start to solve this out. We're going to get 5 squares 25, 250 joules here, plus a negative 1,000 joules, plus ETH final. It's going to equal 0. So it's going to be negative 750 plus ETH final equals 0. So ETH final will equal 750 joules. And that is how much thermal energy will be generated when the dog slides down the slide.